In today's video, there's a new update for Bois. We already did an update, like the Ice Age update, like what, 4 days ago? And now there's already a new update. This is called the volcano update, I mean. Now this actually looks cool, already logging into here. And I'm curious, what happens if you jump in the lava pit? Nothing. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, seeds. Why is he wearing a coat if this is the volcanic update? My God, magma melon seed. Let's buy one of those. Hello? It's not letting me buy. Okay, whoa. Okay. I can't buy the magma melon seed. Okay, I bought it. Okay. This is the ashen bloom seed and this is the magma melon seed. Since you see, we already did the whole glacier update. Let's try out this. Okay, let's place that. Let's place that. What is that, bro? What is that? Sorry for the boundary. Okay, we have to test out the base value. Okay, this is the base value. Oh my God, bro, I cannot talk. $119. That is not bad. What? Why are these actually so OP? Cause like the glacier update, this one was like $37 and like these were like 26. Why is this update so OP? Can I buy the Inferno Pepper Seed? Hold up, let me see. Do I have enough money? Nope, only 2,000. Okay, so we're gonna buy the seeds until they're out of stock and place all of them. Whoa. Oh, it's raining. Wait, we can get mutations. Okay, I have to buy these quick. I have to buy these really quick. Okay. Grab these. Grab this. We can get some wet mutations, guys. Already, this is better than the glacier update. I almost just threw my controller, but saved myself. Oh, sorry. There's a seed right there. Okay, that one's giant. Okay, let's get to planting all these seeds. Hello? Okay. So my game is kind of glitchy. So yeah. I didn't post for 2 days. Hold up, let me tell you guys something. I haven't posted in 2 days. It's because, so I was playing on my Oculus, right? As usual. My head started to hurt, but I didn't think of like anything like that. But then once I took off my Oculus, like one side of my forehead, like this side right here, it felt different than the other side. So I showed it to my mom. She checked it out and she told me my skin burnt from my Oculus. I don't know why, But yeah. But I can keep playing today. Let's try the base of the giant one. Okay, these ones are giant. So we're gonna check the base value of these. $200. $172. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Is there any new seeds? Nope, doesn't look like it. Do any of these got like a magma mutation? Wait, I know what they might have added. Oh no, the rain ended. Oh, never mind. Uncommon egg? So they did add another egg. And, oh man, they didn't add the lightning rod. I need to save up for the common egg, guys. So yeah, this is cool, kind of. I like all the lava. I like how they designed it. That's what mostly I like. And the seeds, because they're really OP. Like, look at this girl. I wouldn't know why it's raining in a lava area. So we know they added a new seed. Can one of these get like a wet mutation? Did even any of my plants get wet mutation? None. Okay, so I'm gonna bring out my menu. But I thought I'd do this. Okay, we're only going to sell a strawberry and an apple. Let's see the base value of two of those. If they're not the same amount as the seeds, the lava seeds, it's actually OP. So let's see. Oh my god. Okay, okay, $341. I mean, it had mutations. Okay, we're almost at $3,000, guys. Let's go back to the glacier. Let's pick this up. Because we never sold this from last video. Hello? Yeah, we never sold this from last video. $600? What? As you guys know, join the code CATVR. So you can actually meet me, because I'm usually in here. Okay. Let me see this again. I just saw something grow right in front of my eyes. Why am I not grabbing it? Okay, I got it. $165. So these plants are really good. Let's go into a random server, see if any people have like any of the new seeds.
My garden over there, bro. I'm going to my garden. Hey. Why are you coming to my garden?
What
This
is
is my
this,
garden.
bro?
This is my garden.
Can't feel anything.
What are you building, bro?
Stop, bro.
This
Get
is
out,
that
my God. I'm reporting you, right? I'm gonna report you to the Discord.
Why?
Okay. Hold up, I forgot. Let's see all the new seeds. Inferno pepper seed, lava lotus, and cinder corn. Imagine they had a beanstalk event like the actual grow garden. No, because that would be copyright.
Bro, we can't even mess with your garden, bro. I know.
Hold up.
But I do not want you.
Is there a slide from the glacier event still?
You're actually giving me.
There's no slide, bro? That was my favorite part,
Yeah, bro. I'm
bro.
sorry about that. They got rid of the slide.
Hold up, I'm about to predict the next event. What if we combine this water with some of the lava and it turns into stone or obsidian? If it turns into obsidian, they're probably going to add an obsidian update. If it turns into stone, they're probably going to add a stone update.
No.
I don't know, my prediction might be right. Okay, let's see, is there anything else?
What? I need money to stop. You need money to.
This is not mine.
This must help.
This is
shopping
not
center.
mine.
I dare you to jump down.
You shop. Sell plants. How much shekels do I have? Block coins? Or these?
This is how you do it, bruh. Hold up.
Bye.
They delete it, bro? Oh, it's this button.
Of course.
Oh, yeah.
No button.
Do a flip.
Okay, I'll do flip.
Watch this.
Okay, where is mine?
Wow. Stop being right, bro.
Help me. This is actually, like, really weird. It's just a random mechanic they added, though. Oh my god. Hold up. Let's try to time this perfectly. No, I messed up. Okay. Yes, we got it.
Do flip.
No.
Do flip.
Hold up, bro. This is weird.
Do flip.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I got pretty
Hold
jump
on.
scared, bro. Here's that grew.
Okay, guys, we're going to be wrapping up this video for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm CatVR, and peace. And what? Oh, wait, I have an extra seed we can plant before we wrap this up. And hold up, that is giant. I have to test this out real quick. And guys, I really do need to get off because I don't think I can play for any more longer. Almost $300. Yeah, these seeds are really good. Okay, did that grow really anything? No, not really. Okay, now we're going to be wrapping this up. So bye guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm CatVR. Join my code CatVR so you can meet me. And peace. Wrong button.